To trade futures on BitMart, you first need to create an account and complete the verification process. This involves providing identification documents to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Once your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your account using a variety of payment methods. Next, navigate to the futures trading section of the platform, where you will find a range of available futures contracts to trade. Each contract will have its own specifications, including the underlying asset, contract size, and expiration date. It is essential to understand these specifications before placing a trade. To place a trade, you will need to choose the contract you want to trade and select the order type. BitMart offers several order types, including limit orders, market orders, and stop orders. A limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell, while a market order will execute the trade at the current market price. When trading futures, it is crucial to manage your risk. This can be done by setting stop-loss orders, which will automatically close a trade if it reaches a certain price level. You can also use leverage to amplify your potential gains, but be aware that this also increases your potential losses. Another key concept to understand is margin, which is the amount of funds required to open and maintain a futures position. If your account balance falls below the minimum margin requirement, you may receive a margin call, which requires you to deposit more funds or close the position. To get started with trading futures on BitMart, it is recommended to begin with a demo account, which allows you to practice trading with virtual funds. This will help you become familiar with the platform and develop a trading strategy before risking real money. In conclusion, trading futures on BitMart requires a thorough understanding of the platform, the available contracts, and the risks involved. By following these steps and managing your risk, you can navigate the futures market with confidence and make informed trading decisions. Always prioritize risk management and continue to educate yourself on the markets and trading strategies to achieve success in futures trading.